Scutellaria laterifolia lecture on homeopathic medicine by Dr. Rohit Deshpande. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a particular remedy known as Scutellaria laterifolia. It is a herbaceous perennial plant commonly known as skullcap. It belongs to the mint family Lamiaceae and is native to North America. Scutellaria laterifolia has been used in traditional medicine as a natural sedative and nervous system relaxant. In homeopathy, Scutellaria laterifolia is indicated for individuals who experience nervousness, fear, and restlessness. Scutellaria laterifolia is commonly used for the following symptoms: nervous fear predominates, cardiac irritability, nervous irritation and spasms of children during dentition, twitching of muscles and nervous weakness after influenza. Mental symptoms include fear of some calamity, inability to fix attention, and confusion. Head symptoms include a dull, frontal headache, eyes feel pressed outwards, flushed face, restless sleep, and frightful dreams. Migraine headaches over the right eye, aching in eyeballs, and explosive headaches of school teachers with frequent urination. Stomach symptoms include nausea, sore irritations, hiccough, pain, and distress. Abdominal symptoms include gas, fullness, and distension, colicky pain, and uneasiness. Light-colored diarrhea may also occur. In males, Scutellaria laterifolia can help with seminal emissions and impotency, with a fear of never being better. Sleep symptoms include night terrors, sleeplessness, sudden wakefulness, and frightful dreams. Extremity symptoms include twitchings of muscles, must be moving, tremors, sharp stinging pains in upper extremities, nightly restlessness, weakness, and aching. In conclusion, Scutellaria laterifolia is an important remedy for nervousness, fear, and restlessness. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative content, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Rohit Deshpande's YouTube channel.